How to create a new ad account on Facebook for your Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go through the steps on how you can create a new ad account for your Facebook page. Well, what you'll have to keep in mind is here now, when you sign up for Facebook page, right, you're given an ad account ID by default. You can go to your Meta Ads Manager ads account page to see your personal ad account. However, to advertise with Meta Ads Manager, you'll need to have a Facebook page or have an admin, editor, or advertiser role on someone else's page. You'll also need to set up a valid payment method. Now here, if I tap on advertise here, you'll see that I have the ad account by default here. All I gotta do is enter in payment details and such. So you can see create new ad option. I'll tap on create new ad. It'll ask me to choose the payment methods and other options here. You'll have to go to the prompts and you'll be easily able to create the ad account here. So you can see payment methods option and choose the ad options as well. However, if you wanna add new account, you can head over to business page, the business settings page, and there you wanna head into accounts option. You'll find the ad account. You can tap on it and go ahead and select add new account option there. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments as well.